So today we're going to talk about how to find the duplicate values and delete those duplicate values from an Excel sheet. So let's start. In column A, as you can see, there are certain car brands which are being repeated or are duplicates, and then there are certain car brands which are unique or that is there only for a single time. Okay. So first, let's see how to find the duplicate values or the duplicate data entries. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on A, then under home, in styles you need to go into conditional formatting, then you need to go to highlight cell rules and then highlight the duplicate values over here. So just click on the duplicate values. So all those car brands which are repeated in this column or which are having multiple entries or having or duplicates, that has been highlighted, and then there are certain car brands like Hyundai, Mercedes, BMW, which are there only for a single time or a single entry is there. So that is why that has not been highlighted. So this was the steps for identifying the duplicate values. Now, if you want to remove these duplicate values from this particular column, then what you need to do, you need to again click on column A, then you need to go to data, and here this icon is basically, you can see in data tools, right? This icon will help you to remove the duplicates. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click over here on this icon. Now your data, the column you selected, you have the header as well. Car brand is the header of this column, right? So you need to select that particular checkbox. Okay, and then click OK. So now it says five duplicate values found. So there were five duplicate values which found and removed. So they have been removed as well, and seven unique values remains. Okay. So now you can see there are only seven unique values in this particular column which is remaining. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.